Machiavelli believed that control is not given, it's taken. Today, we uncover how to influence her emotions with psychological mastery. If you've ever wondered how some men seem to have a magnetic hold over a woman's emotions, you're about to discover the timeless strategies from the mind of Machiavelli himself. These aren't cheap tricks. These are psychological laws of influence. Part 1. The core of Machiavellian psychology. Explain Machiavelli's philosophy. Control is based on perception, fear, and desire. People are moved more by fear of loss than hope of gain. Women, like all humans, respond emotionally to certainty and uncertainty. Example: giving attention, then withdrawing it strategically, creates emotional tension, the fuel of attraction. Part 2. Emotional leverage. Scarcity and unpredictability. Don't be too available. Emotional control comes from being desired but not fully possessed. The power of silence. Machiavelli said, "Those who reveal less control more." Mystery keeps her imagination working in your favor. Reward and withdrawal. Give warmth and affection when she earns it. Withdraw when she disrespects boundaries. Consistency breeds comfort. Inconsistency breeds obsession. Part 3. Machiavelli's tools of influence. Control the frame. The one who sets the meaning of interactions holds the power. Emotional anchors. Associate yourself with peak emotional moments, joy, desire, even jealousy. Subtle dominance. Leadership without force, making her feel guided, not controlled. Part 4. Psychological tactics. Mirroring and contrast. Match her emotions, then shift them. Fear of loss. Machiavelli believed it's stronger than hope. Subtle reminders that she could lose you increase her emotional investment. Validation with limits. Give compliments sparingly. Too much kills value. Machiavelli taught that power isn't about force, but about perception and control of emotions. If you master scarcity, mystery, and emotional framing, you won't just control her feelings. You'll dominate her mind.